What are you guys doing? You're just chattering beaks next to each other. You're not even touching the ground. That's the strangest thing I've ever seen. Like there's an invisible bowl of water there that I don't know about. You guys are weird. What the heck are you guys doing? I don't know if you can hear the noise at them. It sounds like there's a bowl of water there. That is that one right there. The light one's a drake. He's obviously Drake, and that black one on the left is a drake. The rest of them are hens. Those three are hens. I've never seen them do this before.